Hi, I'm Elle Tyson, and I work with student support for ePortfolios and digital composition at Old Dominion University. This video is going to cover how to use social media to your advantage when it comes to building a professional online identity. You probably have at least some social media accounts, whether it's just LinkedIn for job searches or Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so on. Maybe you've never thought about how what you post might affect you in your future career. So what do you need to know about social media? Well, first off, you're in control of what you post to your social media accounts. You get to decide what to include. And though you can't completely erase things on the internet, you can make them much harder to find. We're going to see some different strategies depending on your scenario in a bit. But first, I want to tell you what employers are saying about their hiring practices related to social media. In a recent survey of over 500 employers, 90% said that they factor in social media when they're making their decisions. 79% of them said they'd rejected candidates based on what they deemed to be inappropriate content on their social media. These can range from hate speech, illegal or illicit content, images of partying and drug use, posting confidential content about a former or current employer, to just using poor grammar and having frequent typos. You don't have to scrub all personal content from your social media profiles, but you should look at them from the point of view of someone hiring you if you're going on the job market. In fact, some personal content is welcome as it lets them get a better feel for your personality. Prospective employers are also checking that there is consistency across platforms. You may look great on LinkedIn, but if it doesn't match your other social media profiles, it could cost you the job or the spot in that program or graduate school you've applied to. Okay, so how can you be creative and express yourself freely without feeling like you're not being yourself? Again, the good news is you're in control. You have some options. The first is to go through all your social media accounts and erase or hide from public view anything that you think might be questionable. This goes for photos that you were tagged in on other folks' accounts as well. When a friend of mine was on the job market, she asked me to remove a photo of us on a night out, and I quickly obliged. It's as easy as just contacting anyone who has a photo of you that you really don't want to have out there. Another option is creating separate professional social media accounts that show more content related to your job, but this is not a requirement. Again, remember that besides looking for red flags, employers are trying to get an idea of who you are and what their first impression of you is from your social media. You don't want to make it too bland. You can also have accounts that are kept private and not open to the public, just for friends and family to see. And you can have some accounts untied to your name or main email address. This is best if you really just need an outlet to express yourself without worry of how it will look. If you go this route, make sure not to include pictures of yourself or any identifying information. You can check out below for the link to my own ePortfolio and social media accounts. Please feel free to contact me with any questions about working on your digital identity through your social media accounts. And check out the rest of the videos in this series to learn even more about creating your professional brand and working on your ePortfolio. Thanks for listening today.